Hello guys, Fox of Switchblade is here. Today, let's check the package that I received. New pedal, new wah pedal. It is a model Dunlop GCB 95. I have the package here now. I'll show you. Yeah, this is from FedEx. Okay, so see what's inside. We have here the plastic support. This is for support also. Protection. Computer protection. Now I have here the pedal. Cry baby. Dunlop GCB 95, the original. I have the same pedal I was using for how many years already during the early Switchblade concert gigs, and because it's already old, I have to buy a new one. The standard by which all wah pedals are judged. What's unique with this wah pedal is that it has a compartment of original Italian made Vassal inductor. And this is heavy duty bypass switch. It has a compartment, or this wah used hot patch potentiometer. All newly modeled pedal wah or signature pedal are being emulated or modeled from this wah pedal, the original one. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's inside of the package. So it is being wrapped in plastic. There is a plastic bag here, a plastic here, and inside you can find a sticker, right baby sticker. This is the registration card. And this is the manual or the quick guide of this is the pedal. It's heavy, and there is a logo here, right baby wah. It's in front. It's on the right side, the input jack, wherein you are going to connect your guitar. On the left side is the output jack, which goes into your amplifier, and it has an input for the power. This is power supply. It is supplied by 9 volts currency, 9 volt battery. Also, you can use battery for this one. This is the battery compartment here. Yes, see, you can just flip it out and open, and you can attach the battery here. And this is the beneath the pedal. There is the logo and the model. Okay, I'll show you the old one. This is my old pedal. Yeah, same thing, and only the cover beneath is not the original one. It's the original one cover. So now I'll show you. I'll make a short demo for audio demo. By the way, you can engage or turn on this pedal by applying pressure on top here. When you use it, apply pressure here, and there is a click of the switch here. The same thing with the same thing if you are going to switch off the pedal. Just apply switch here. I just apply the pressure here also. Now I'm going to make a demo of this pedal. Put the battery.